name is Selena. I'm 10 years old. Let me present you my second book called The Little Princess and the Toe-Nibbling Cat. I like to write books to help kids manage their emotions better. The story talks about a princess who received a cat for her birthday. However, the cat nibbles the toes of the princess during the night, and it makes her angry. With my story, I want people to learn to better manage their anger and be tolerant with vulnerable people. I wish you to have fun reading it.
The Little Princess and the Toe-Nibbling Cat is the second child book written by 10-year-old author Selena Faye Goulet. The illustrations are the work of the artist and graphic designer Denis. This children's book is very useful to understand how we can help them manage their emotions, in this case anger. It's a funny story that begins with the princess's birthday, in which she receives a kitten that has an annoying behavior at night. But don't worry, there is a happy ending. With this beautiful book, we offer you a companion booklet that allows you, as an adult, to guide the child in its understanding of the themes and symbolisms in the story. Afterward, you can then do a lot of little learning exercises and easy-to-do scientific experiments with them that will help the kids integrate the concepts well. For instance, how to organize a birthday party and the gifts, how to manage anger, how to care for a pet, and how to show forbearance to vulnerable people. So while the child is reading the book with its reader, you can be a good companion with the booklets file that is on your cell phone or a digital tablet. Everything is easygoing and done to help you, as an adult, to participate and guide your child with you. I wish you a pleasant reading and a nice personal development.